Welcome to our detailed guide on how to turn off voice guidance on Xfinity. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to disable this feature quickly and easily. Let's get started. There are actually 3 ways to turn off voice guidance on your Xfinity X1 device. Method 1. Using the B button on your remote. Press the B button twice. On the second press, a pop-up will appear in the middle of your screen asking whether you'd like to turn voice guidance on or off. Simply press OK to turn it off. Method 2. Using a voice command. Press and hold the voice control button on your remote and say voice guidance or accessibility. You'll be taken directly to the accessibility settings where you can switch it off. Method 3. Through the menu. Press the A button on your remote, then navigate to Settings, then Accessibility. From there, find the voice guidance option. Select it and choose Off or Disable. Quick tip. Turning off voice guidance won't affect your voice remote search and control features. You can still use your voice to search channels and apps without the audio announcements. And if voice guidance shows as off but keeps playing, simply toggle it back on and then off again. That usually fixes it right away. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.